YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own ringtones for free using iTunes. It's completely legally. So let's get the hacked PC. This will only work on a Mac. You need GarageBand and I'm using Snow Leopard. Okay. Now the first thing you want to do, well, let's let this thing catch up. First thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here to this little thing right here. As soon as that little window pops up, we'll get started. Okay, then. There we go. Alright, now what you're going to do is that you're going to want to just go in here, go to your playlist. I don't know, I'm going to take out Monster by Skillet. And we'll drag this into your library. I drag that right there. It'll convert. Alright, now you're going to select Send Ringtone to iTunes. Then you'll just hit Adjust. Give you this little bar right here. You can choose, like, I don't know, right here, like right there will start. Alright, so you get the point. So to do that, you just send ringtone to iTunes. Take a minute. Now there is another way to do this, but it's on iTunes. It'll cost a more satisfying way to create ringtones. Alright, so I'll pop into there and it will do that. You'll see it right there. My song, it'll come up as that. So there you go. Alright, I'll see you guys next time I make a video.